The Ford Model T, colloquially known as the Tin Lizzie, stands as perhaps the most significant piece of machinery in the history of the industrial age. Introduced by Henry Ford's Ford Motor Company on October 1, 1908, it was not merely a vehicle. It was the catalyst for a social and economic revolution that effectively put the world on wheels. Before the Model T, automobiles were handcrafted luxury items reserved for the ultra-wealthy. Henry Ford's vision was to produce a car that was simple to operate, easy to maintain, and, most importantly, affordable for the average American worker. Technically, the Model T was a marvel of pragmatic engineering. It was powered by a 2.9-liter, four-cylinder engine that produced approximately 20 horsepower, allowing the vehicle to reach top speeds of about 45 miles per hour. While these figures seem modest by modern standards, the engine was remarkably robust and capable of running on gasoline, kerosene, or ethanol. One of its most distinctive features was the planetary transmission, operated by 3 floor pedals rather than a conventional sliding gear shifter. This made the car relatively easy to learn for a population that had previously only driven horse-drawn carriages. Furthermore, Ford utilized vanadium steel, an alloy that was significantly lighter and stronger than standard steel of the era, giving the Model T the durability required to navigate the rutted, unpaved roads of early 20th century rural America. The true genius of the Model T lay not just in the machine itself, but in how it was made. In 1913, Ford introduced the moving assembly line at the Highland Park plant. This innovation reduced the chassis assembly time from 12.5 hours to just 93 minutes. By standardizing parts and streamlining labor, Ford realized massive economies of scale. The famous adage that a customer could have a Model T in any color so long as it is black was born of this efficiency. Black paint dried the fastest, ensuring that the assembly line never had to stop. These efficiencies allowed Ford to steadily drop the price. The car debuted at $825 and eventually fell to less than $300 by the mid-1920s. The Model T transformed the landscape of the human experience. It broke the isolation of rural life, allowing farmers to bring goods to market more efficiently and enabling families to travel beyond their immediate townships. It spurred the development of the modern highway system, gas stations, and the suburban lifestyle. Furthermore, to ensure a stable workforce for his high-speed lines, Ford introduced the $5 day, more than doubling the average industrial wage. This helped create a new middle class, workers who could now afford to buy the very products they were building. By the time production ceased in 1927, over 15 million Model Ts had been manufactured. While newer, more comfortable models eventually rendered it obsolete, the Model T remains the definitive symbol of the transition from an agrarian society to an industrial powerhouse. It proved that mass production could democratize technology, changing the way humanity moves, works, and lives forever.